students, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about nutrition lesson 10th class biology. Before we are going to discuss about the lesson nutrition, let us discuss some key points which related to the nutrition lesson, and later we will discuss about the lesson nutrition. For thousands of years, living organisms inhabiting on the earth and continue their lineage by basic process called life processes. Let us discuss about life process. Living organisms need some basic processes which are required for survival and perpetuation of their race. Living organisms need some basic processes which are required for survival and perpetuation of their race are called life processes. Here, perpetuation means continuation. Discuss some examples about this life process. Examples of life process: nutrition and transportation, respiration, digestion, excretion, photosynthesis, 7 reproduction. Examples of life process: nutrition, transportation, respiration and digestion, excretion, photosynthesis and reproduction. Here from these examples, nutrition, transportation, respiration, digestion, excretion, photosynthesis are essential for survival. And in additionally, reproduction is need for continuation of their species. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain and utilize the nutrients is called nutrition. The process by which living organisms obtain and utilize the nutrients is known as nutrition. Just now we discussed about the definition of nutrition. In that nutrition we use the term nutrient. Nutrients. We use this term nutrients. Nutrients means what? Let us discuss about nutrients. Nutrients means the substances which are required for growth, development and repair. Nutrients, the substances which are required for growth, development and repair. Here the term repair means in the body with the new cells, replacement of the dead cells within the body with the new cells, and healing of wounds can be cited as examples of repair. Okay, again I am repeating. Nutrients means the substances which are required for growth, development and repair. The term repair means these are the examples: replacement of dead cells with the in the body with the new cells, and healing of wounds can be cited as examples of repair. Now let us dive into the lesson. Food is needed by all living organisms, mainly for growth and repair. Food is needed for growth and repair. All the organisms need food to maintain the body temperature as well as to maintain the body temperature. All the organisms need food to maintain the body temperature as well as. So why do we need food? We need food for growth and repair, and so many organisms take food to maintain body temperature as well as. Different kind of substances taken as a food by different organisms, from unicellular organism like amoeba to multicellular organism like human being. In the human body, different cells we have different cells. These different cells require different kind of food substances. The cells require different substances to carry out their vital functions. To carry out the vital functions, these cells require different substances of food to carry out the vital functions. Different kind of organisms consume different kind of food. In our previous classes, we learnt about the different kind of food items consumed by the different organisms. Heterotrophs. And how do heterotrophs get their food? Let us discuss about autotrophic nutrition. In this autotrophic nutrition, organisms are capable of using light energy to synthesize complex food substances from simple inorganic ones. Plus, these organisms need nutrients like salt and minerals. From the soil, gases from air. By using salt and minerals and gases and water, these organisms prepare the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids by the simple inorganic ones. Plants capable of producing carbohydrates, proteins and lipids from the simple compounds. These plants not only utilize these carbohydrates, proteins and lipids, but also they provide to all living organisms. By which process plants produce food? Plants performing one life process called photosynthesis. By the process of photosynthesis, plants prepare their food. Photosynthesis is the only process which makes the plants universal food providers to all living organisms. In our earlier classes, we learned something about the process of photosynthesis. The experimentations to know about the plant's needs actually recorded from 17th century. Van Helmont, he established the role of water by an experiment conducted for over 5 years. 300 years took to humankind to arrive at the present definition of photosynthesis. Let us discuss the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants contain green pigment, chlorophyll, and build up complex organic molecules. From simple from simple inorganic ones. Inorganic ones using sunlight as energy source. Simple definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. Is known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare their own food by using carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. So many scientists tried to formulate the equation to identify the process of photosynthesis. The equation which is used widely, proposed by C.B. Van Til in the year 1931. In his opinion was, for the formation of 1 molecule of carbohydrate, 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, 2 molecules of water required, and in the formation of 1 molecule of carbohydrate, 1 molecule of water and 1 molecule of oxygen are produced. This opinion belongs to C.B. Van Til. This equation proposed by C.B. Van Til in the year 1931. And he worked on the purple sulfur bacteria. And he found that light plays key role in the process of photosynthesis. Thank you for watching.